Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to be going ahead and creating our first Flex container or Flexbox. Now, I already have some apparatus set up here so that we can get started straight away without having to go and do anything with any of the styling. And this is the best way to really see how Flexbox works because without it, it's just going to look kind of weird, all the invisible backgrounds and things. So I think this is the best way to really see and demonstrate how Flexbox works. All right, let's get started. So, it's actually quite easy to set up a Flex container. The hard part is creating it how you want, but it uses the display property, just like any other item on this page. So when we set the display to block or inline, we do all of that, but we can actually set it to Flex, and what that's going to do is create our Flex container. So all we have to do is go ahead and find our parent element, the container that we want, and I already have the class set up here. If you want to go ahead and do this on your own, you can. Like I said, if you want to copy these styles, for example, you can go ahead and check out the project files. But like I said, you can just go ahead and create your own setup so that you can start working with it. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and find our parent element. So in this case, these are going to be our items in the future, and then this div is our main element. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go ahead and give it the display property of Flex. Now, instead of doing something like block or inline block, instead, we set it to Flex. And what this is going to do is create our Flex container. Now watch what happens. You can see now that instead of having it just in a row, all of these items have been spaced out accordingly. Now all of the default values of all of the Flex properties have now been set up now that our display mode has been activated. Now in the next few videos, we're actually going to be going through and manipulating these properties. For example, changing the order, we're going to change the size and width of these, and we're going to go ahead and justify and align the content. But that's for a future video. For now, all you need to know is that by setting the display property to Flex on a parent container, it's going to set up all the default values of the Flex properties and create the Flex container that we want to work with in the next few videos. All right, let's move on.